भूर्भुवः स्वाहा तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः।
Hey friends, I am Vinky Srivastav from class 5th D. Today is the Hindu festival Basant Panchami and it is celebrated in different parts of Indian subcontinent as Saraswati Puja. Friends, Basant is also called the king of seasons. It is a springtime harvest festival which marks the end of winter and arrival of spring season. It is believed that Goddess Saraswati, who is the deity of music, wisdom, art, knowledge, science, and nature, was born on this auspicious day. Basant Panchami is also celebrated with great fervour in temples, homes, and even schools and colleges. Students start their day by worshipping Goddess Saraswati, the wife of Brahma, who created the universe. They also keep their educational items near the goddess's statue and offer chants and prayers in her honor. On this great religious day, people donate educational items to the needy and distribute food to the poor. On this day, I wake up early and after bath, I get dressed up in yellow clothes. Do you know why? Because it is the favorite color of Goddess Saraswati and it is associated with joy, life and cheer. It is the color of ripened fruits and flowers. Then I offer yellow flowers, fruits and sweets to Goddess Saraswati and put a yellow turmeric tilak on my forehead. On Basant Panchami, people prepare festive yellow dishes like sweet saffron rice, kesari shira, bundi ke laddu, rajbhog, khichdi and many other. So friends, enjoy this religious festival with great joy and have fun. May Goddess Saraswati bless you with the ocean of knowledge which never ends. Happy Basant Panchami to all my friends and teachers. Thank you and have a wonderful day.
हे शारदे माँ, हे शारदे माँ, हे शारदे माँ, हे शारदे माँ, अज्ञानता से हमें तार दे माँ, अज्ञानता से हमें तार दे माँ, हे शारदे माँ, हे शारदे माँ, हे शारदे माँ, हे शारदे माँ, अज्ञानता से हमें तार दे माँ, अज्ञानता से हमें तार दे माँ, हे शारदे माँ, हे शारदे माँ। तू स्वर्ग की देवी, संगीत तुझसे, हर शब्द तेरा है, हर गीत तुझसे। तू स्वर्ग की देवी, संगीत तुझसे, हर शब्द तेरा है, हर गीत तुझसे। हम हैं अकेले, हम हैं अधूरे, हम हैं अकेले, हम हैं अधूरे। तेरी शरण हमें प्यार दे माँ, तेरी शरण हमें प्यार दे माँ, हे शारदे माँ, हे शारदे माँ, हे शारदे माँ, हे शारदे माँ, अज्ञानता से हमें तार दे माँ, अज्ञानता से हमें तार दे माँ, हे शारदे माँ।
ॐ भगवते नमः। ॐ सरस्वत्यै नमः। ॐ पितृभ्यां नमः। ॐ मातृभूम्यै नमः। हे ईश्वर, हमारा आज का दिन सभी प्राणियों की भलाई की कामना करते हुए उन्नति के पथ पर अग्रसरित हो।